Hello students. So today is the second lecture of logarithm. Okay. In the first lecture of logarithm, we have learned about how to convert indices to logarithm. Correct? We have also seen the properties of logarithm and we have seen how the base change function works. Correct? Now this base change is very important and today I am going to show you few questions which came in the past DP papers, how to solve those questions using base change. Correct? So let's start picking up few small questions, okay, on logs. Let's start for the first one. If I say log 6 base 6, can you think of the answer for this? 6 to the power, how much will be 6? So absolutely the answer will come as 1. Absolutely okay. Now log 6 base, okay, let's write 1 here. Log 1 base 6, okay. 6 to the power, how much is 1? So the answer is 6 to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay. Log 36 base 6. So 6 to the power 2 is 36. 6 into 6 is 36. So here, here the answer will always be in degrees. Correct? Fourth question. Log 1 by 6 base 1 by 6. Okay, so you know that both are similar terms. So 1 by 6 to the power, how much will be 1 by 6? So it will be 1 back again. Very good. Fifth question. Log 6, 1 by 6 base 6. Log 1 by 6 base 6 will be written as minus 1. Why? Try to convert those two indices. If you think that this is something which you cannot do it in exam, just consider this as x. Okay. Now what you try to do, now try to convert the logs into exponential form. So 6 to the power x is equals to 1 by 6. Now when you convert this to indices form, life will be more easy and you can now solve it. You know that in indices whenever you solve, you have to get base here as 6. And this can only be done by writing 6 to the power minus 1. Now you know rule of indices again that when the bases are same, the powers are also same. So x will become minus 1. Okay. So you can always convert logs to indices to solve it. Okay. Next question. Log 5 plus log 6 and suppose the base is 10. Most of the student go here and write log 11 base 10. No, here the properties of logs will be used and you have to go and write log 6 into 5 which is 30 base 10. Okay. Remember here you have to use the properties. Question number 7 I'll show you. Suppose if I write something like this, log 5 base 10 plus log 6 base 10 minus log 30 base 10. So here two properties, okay, the first and the second property of the logs will be used together and you can write here log, see these two are added, it means that the numbers will get multiplied, 5 into 6 and 30 will come in the denominator because it is minus. So you can solve one by one doing this one first and this one. But I am doing it all in one shot, okay, divided by 30, the base will remain 10, that is why I am using the property because everyone have the same base, correct? So further I can write this one as log 30 by 30 is 1, so log 1 base 10, so the answer will be 0, okay, because 10 to the power 0 is equals to 1, okay. Next question. Log of 2 to the power 3 minus log 8. Okay. So this one can be written as this. Either you can write straightforward log 2 to the power 3 as 8 by 8 log 1 it will become 0. Or you can, I'll change the question here. Okay, I'll write here log 2. Okay, so that makes bit sense. So 3 log 2. By rule number 3 you can bring 3 here. So 3 log 2 minus log 2. Okay, which can be written as log 3 log 2 minus log 2 can be written as 2 log 2 which is log 2 to the power 2 which is log 4. Okay, so how does this question they ask you that convert this into a single logarithm form. So there are two logs here and you have converted to a single logarithm form writing log in this format. Okay, or yeah, it's log 4. You have to read it. You can do it in another way also. You can write this one as log 8 upon 2 by using rule number 2, and you can write this one here as log 4. Okay, so that also you can do it. Okay, so these are the few examples just to cover the basics of how do you solve logs. Okay, we'll pick up few questions from DP program. Okay, and we'll see how to solve those questions. Okay, so I'll pick up one question from DP. Is B is equals to log 81 base 80 into log 80 base 79 into log 79 base 78 into so on till log 4 base 3. Okay, so you have to basically find the value of B. Find B if B belongs to an integer. So remember I told you that base change formula is very important here. So how you are going to write this one as, you can write this one as B is equals to log 81 by 80, and base you can put as your own choice. Okay, we have to write here as log 81 by log 80. Base you can choose yours. Okay, so if you want to keep it x, y, z, 10, 20, whatever you want, into log 80 upon log 79 into log 79 upon log 78 into so on till log 4 upon log 3. Now you have to remember that the bases of all these logs in the numerator and the denominator are same. Okay, now you see the pattern how are we are eliminating the values. Log 80 80. Okay, so from numerator we are cutting the numerator just one step ahead of the previous term from the denominator. Correct, this and this. Correct, which means that this will be eliminated by this part, and as you go on, this part will be eliminated by this part. Correct, which means what will be left? The first term numerator will be left and the last term denominator will be left. Correct, so in exam you have to identify that it is, see, all the values are not written, so you have to understand that you have to catch the pattern how it is being eliminated. This is very important. Now you can go and you can write B is equals to log 81 upon log 3. You know log 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 upon log 3. This 4 can be brought in the coefficient rule number 3 upon log 3. So log 3 and log 3 can be eliminated. The answer will be 4, and 4 belongs to an integer. So the answer will be B equals to 4. Okay. So see, this type of questions come for 5 or 6 marks. Okay, without calculator. Okay. So it's very easy to solve this one. It's just you have to identify the pattern and which form of log, which property of log you are going to utilize here can definitely help you. Okay. So keep looking into these videos, keep commenting on it. If you want more questions, let me know. I'll definitely put more and more questions here. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.